Hi there, thanks very much for checking out the Learn English with Aharn Ken course. This is level 1 and it's aimed at beginner students or students who are looking to take the first step into learning English. Now my name's Ken and I've been an English teacher for more than 10 years and I've taught thousands of students all around the world in Europe and in South America and in Asia. And in that time, hundreds of my students have went on to improve their careers or land their dream job. Now I'm well travelled myself. I've visited more than 50 countries around the world and I've lived and worked in 10 countries. And in that time, I've taught myself 4 languages. Now I'm not fluent by any means in those languages, but I know enough to get by and to be confident when I'm speaking. Now this course has taken my experience and all my students' experiences and how they improve their English and what the best methods are to improve their English. Now one thing all my students tell me is that speaking is the most important. A lot of students get bogged down with grammar, etc., but I've found that speaking and learning as you speak or speak as you learn is the best way to learn English. It's a practical way to improve your English. Now this course is designed exactly for that, to learn English as you speak and to speak English as you learn. So each course is about 20 minutes long and you can listen to what I'm saying, follow the course on the transcript, and importantly I'll be introducing to you basic vocabulary that you can use in everyday situations and how to use it with the best grammar as well. Hopefully this will give you a lot of confidence when you're learning English, and the most important thing is to practice. If you practice, you will improve. That's the strategy I tell all my students. So I hope you enjoy the course, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a message. So good luck with your English and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.